Are you ready for an adventure that will take you to the heart of nature? Whether you seek tranquility on calm waters or the thrill of conquering wild rapids, kayaking and canoeing have something for everyone. Join us as we unlock the secrets to becoming a skilled paddler in just 1 minute. Types of kayaks and canoes. First things first, there's a paddlecraft for every passion. From recreational kayaks to whitewater canoes, choose the one that suits your style and environment. Essential gear and equipment. Safety comes first. Equip yourself with a snug-fitting PFD, a proper paddle, and the right clothing. And don't forget those dry bags to keep your valuables safe. Techniques. Perfect your strokes. Learn the art of forward paddling, sweeping, and rolling techniques for maximum control and precision on the water. Whitewater adventure. Ready for an adrenaline rush? Master river reading skills to navigate rapids like a pro, and let the whitewater become your playground. Safety and rescue skills. Safety is key. Practice self-rescue and teamwork with T-Rescue to stay safe in any situation. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Building fitness and community. Stay fit for the journey. Strengthen your body and mind through cross-training and yoga. And remember, paddling communities are a wealth of knowledge and camaraderie. Embrace the journey. So, are you ready to embrace the journey? Whether it's a serene lake or an untamed river, kayaking and canoeing will take you places you've never imagined. With the right gear, technique, and practice, you'll become a confident and skilled paddler in no time. Dive into the world of paddling today and let the adventure begin.